While we've been here in New Bern, we've managed to get a few boat projects done, like doing some of the woodwork, and Gary has rebedded the ports and the hatches to stop some leaks. Hi everyone, it is Saturday, December the 22nd, so a few days before Christmas. We are still in lovely New Bern, North Carolina, where it's been a balmy 65 degrees yesterday, 56 degrees today, so it's been beautiful. Super windy, glad we're in a slip, still rocking and rolling in the slip. So I just wanted to give you a little update of why we're still here, where we're going when we leave here. So we landed here 2 weeks before Hurricane Florence, so that was the end of August that we got here. Went through the hurricane, came back, have some damage to the boat. We've been on two marina waiting lists, two boatyard waiting lists, I should say, to get hauled out. This has been since October. So that Gary could do the fiberglass work to the side and to the bow. Haven't heard back from either one of them because they both had really long lists of people waiting to get hauled out. So, and once the temperature gets to a certain degree, you can't do fiberglass work. So we're kind of at a standstill, can't really do anything. So it's probably going to be when it warms up a bit before we'll actually get our repairs done. So it looks like we're probably going to be here through the winter, which is okay. Our plan is to head further north, go all the way to Maine, we hope, by next summer. So we decided, since we're already this far north, and we don't really want to be any further north for the winter, that this is probably as good a place as any to hang out for the winter. And then come spring, when we get our repairs done, then we will head on up through the Chesapeake Bay and on up the East Coast, hopefully on to Maine. So that's kind of the plan right now. New Bern's been a great place to hang out. It's a fun little town, lots of stuff to do. And as we've taken little day trips to some of the other little towns around, we've been very glad that we landed here in New Bern. And we've got our little Christmas cheer going on here in the boat. Instead of a Christmas tree, we have Christmas Santa. And we have some little garland hanging up. So yeah, we're a little bit festive here on the boat. Tonight is actually our marina Christmas party. So I've put on makeup for the first time in who knows when. So we'll go to a Christmas party tonight. They're actually having sledding downtown New Bern today, so I'm going to take you out and show you what sledding looks like when there's actually no snow. So that should be fun. So anyway, that's what we're doing right now. Sledding and snowball fights in downtown New Bern. So we want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Hope that 2019 is an awesome, joyous, happy year for you all. And I hope it is for us as well. And Merry Christmas to you and your family. Happy New Year.